Welcome to my channel guys. So in this video we will be learning about a set of array update operators, that is the add to set, pop, pull, push, each and the sort operator. In the last video we had learnt about field update operators, and in this video we will be learning about array update operators. So prior to that I have designed a database in the name of AUO, that is the short form for array update operators. So use AUO, execute it. So we switched over to this database AUO. Now let us get to know what collections are present under this database. Show collections. So we have a collection named data under this database. So let us now get to know what documents are present under this collection. So db dot collection name, that is data, find and execute it. So we are having a single document only inside this collection, where there is a field name category storing a value array, then a alphabets field where the data is stored in the form of array, and mobiles and laptops. Here also the data is stored in the form of array. Now the first operation that we will be going for is the add to set operation. This operator is used to insert a item to the array if the item is not already present in it. So suppose I want to bring out a new alphabet inside this alphabets field, that is the alphabet E. So now we are having A, B, C, D, E. I want to make it to A, B, C, D and a new alphabet, that is E. So how that can be done? db dot data dot update. Then I need to first specify a field name which can uniquely identify the document from the collection. Suppose I am here specifying the category field. So category, that is array. Now I will be writing the operator inside a pair of curly braces, that is add to set, then colon. Again inside a pair of curly braces I need to write the name of the field where I want to modify and the alphabet that I want to add. So the name of the field is alphabets, colon, I want to add E to the array. Now select it, execute it. So it is showing n modified 1. Now let us see how it got modified. So now you can see here it is E, which we just inserted now. Now inserting a array inside a array. Suppose here I am having a alphabets where the data is stored in the form of array A, B, C, D, E. Now I want to insert a array inside this array. So how that can be done? Suppose after E I want to insert G, F and G in the form of array. So how that can be done? db dot data dot update. Then again specify the field which can uniquely identify the document. So that can be done from here. Now give a comma, then again that operator, that is add to set, then colon, then again generate a pair of curly braces and write the field name, that is alphabets, then colon, and after that give a pair of square braces and inside that write the elements that you want to insert. Suppose I want to insert F and G in the form of array. So this is done. Now again close this curly brace. So it is done. Now I can execute this to see the result. n modified 1. Let us check out. So you can see A, B, C, D, E are stored as elements. Now again a single array is being stored inside this array, and where we can find the F and G elements. So this is all about add to set operator. Now we will be going for the next operator, that is the pop operator. This operator removes the first or the last element of an array by passing a value of -1 to remove the first item and passing a value of 1 to remove the last item. Suppose I want to remove the first item, that is A. So how that can be done? db dot data dot update. Now again specify the name of the category, that is array, then a comma, again generate a pair of curly braces. Inside that write the operator, that is pop, then again generate a pair of curly braces, then give the name of the field where you want to do the operation, that is alphabets. After that, suppose I am writing -1 to remove the first item. Now select it, execute it. So it is showing n modified 1. So let us check out db dot data dot find, execute it. So now you can see earlier there was a also, now it is not there as we popped the item, the first item. Now suppose I want to pop the last item, that is the array over here. So copy this, paste it over here. Instead of -1 write 1 and execute it. Now let us check. Now you can see there is no FG array. So this is all about the pop operation. The next operation that we will be going for is the pull operator. This operator removes from an existing array all instances of a value that matched a specified condition. So now I want to remove all the instances of Micromax and Samsung from mobiles and Acer from laptops. So how that can be done? Suppose db dot data dot update, then a pair of parentheses, then generate a pair of curly braces. Here we are having only a single document, but if we have multiple documents also, then it will work for all the documents. So for that I am leaving these curly braces as a blank field. Now again generate a pair of curly braces, then $pull, that is the operator. Then the first task that we want to do is the working over the mobiles field, that is we want to remove the mobiles that are Micromax and Samsung. So it is in an array, so I have to bring out the in operator also to check in a array. Then again generate a pair of square braces, as we want to give multiple values that should be in an array. So Micromax comma Samsung, then give a comma, then again laptop. So from laptop we want to remove the Acer, so Acer. Now close the curly braces, then give a comma, then again generate a pair of curly braces. So as I want to remove all the instances, it means multiple instances will be removed. So for that I need to write multi-colon true. Now so now I will be selecting it, executing it. So here you can see n modified colon 1. Now let us see the modification, db dot data dot find, execute it. So you can see mobiles is now having only OnePlus and Apple, where the Micromax and Samsung got removed, and from laptops the Acer got removed. So now I will be going for the next operator, that is the push operator. This operator appends a specified value to an array. Suppose I want to append Z over to this alphabets field. So how that can be done? db dot data dot update, then to specify the document I need to specify a field, that is category array, as this is the field which can uniquely identify the documents. Now give a comma, then insert pair of curly braces, write $push colon. So I need to modify over this alphabets field. So I need to append Z over to this. So this is all about the push. Select it, execute it. Now you can see n modified 1. Now let us check out. So you can now find Z in this alphabets field. Now suppose I want to push multiple items to this field. So how that can be done? Instead of Z, I want to pass at the same time P, Q, R, S. Four items we pass simultaneously in the same query. How that can be done? So for that, along with push, we need to use one more operator, that is the each operator. This operator helps to push multiple elements to the array. So how that can be done? Just copy it from here, then paste it. So alphabets that we want to insert, just remove this one first, then again generate a pair of curly braces. So inside that pair of curly braces, first write the each operator, as we want to insert multiple elements. Then inside square braces, write the elements that you want to insert. Suppose P, Q, R, S. This is done. Now you can select it, execute it. Now you can see n modified 1. Now let us check. Execute this. So you can find A, B, C, D, E, Z, P, Q, R, S. Now suppose I want to use the sort operator also. So how I want to sort these alphabets in a ascending order or descending order. So suppose I want to sort these elements in descending order. So how that can be done? You just need to do one thing. After this pair of square braces, just give a comma, then write the sort operator. So dollar sort, inside that give a colon, then one for ascending order. So here it is now in ascending order. Still let us do this first. Now check it. So earlier it was also in ascending order, so now also no change. Now if I want to see it in descending order, copy it, then paste it over here. Instead of 1, write -1. Now select it, execute it. Now let us check out db dot data dot find, execute it. So now you can see it is sorted in descending order. So in this video, we learnt about the array update operators. In the next video, we will be starting with a new concept. So this is all for this video. Thank you.